What up, chat? What
Cop the BMW, new deposit, I picked up another bag. Like fuck it, I'ma count while I'm in it. I have planes flying, crowds screaming, money counting chains, clanking shit. I guess that's how it sound when you winning. I ain't joking, do it sound like I'm kidding. I've been making like 2,000 a minute. So high up through the clouds, I was swimming. I'm probably gon' drown when I'm in it. I bet she gon' get loud when I'm in it. And we might have a child. I don't love a hoe after we fuck, she can't get near me. Only bitch I give a conversation to a Siri. My pants are mirrored. Yes, I'm winning clearly. I'm the chosen one, see my potential, so they fear me. Lately I've been praying, God, I wonder, can you hear me? Thinking about the old me, I swear I miss you dearly. Stay down till you come up, I've been sticking to that theory. Every day a battle, I'm exhausted and I'm weary. Make sure I smile in public when alone, my eyes teary. I fought through it all, but that shit hurt me severely. I've been getting high to hide behind my insecurities. Taking different pills, but I know it ain't. Cop the BMW, new deposit, I picked up another bag. Like fuck it, I'ma count while I'm in it. I had planes flying, crowds screaming, money counting chains, clanking shit. I guess that's how it sound when you winning. I ain't joking, do it sound like I'm kidding. I've been making like 2,000 a minute. So high up through the clouds, I was swimming. I'm probably gon' drown when I'm in it. I bet she gon' get loud when I'm in it. And we might have a child when I'm rebirth. Never put out a weak verse. Homicides when we lurk. I'm stuck till my feet hurt. When putting them streets first, white tees turn burgundy t-shirts. Looking for some real, he stuck in a deep search. Anxiety killing me, I just wanna leave Earth. When they ask if I'm okay, it just make everything seem worse. Trying to explain your feelings sound like something you rehearsed. Stab me on my back with a clean smirk. Looking so deep into your eyes, I can read your thoughts. So shut the fuck up, I mean, please don't talk. I done been through too much and I don't need another loss. Put that on every war scar for every battle I fought. BMW, new deposit, I picked up another bag. Like fuck it, I'ma count while I'm in it. I had planes flying, crowds screaming, money counting chains, clanking shit. I guess that's how it sound when you winning. I ain't joking, do it sound like I'm kidding. I've been making like 2,000 a minute. So high up through the clouds, I was swimming. I'm probably gon' drown when I'm.
What up, chat? You guys hear me? I'm your speaker. Wait, what? Hello, you guys hear me?
Now we can.
Loud and clear.
Dang. Okay, I can't hear you guys. Give me a second. Give me a system.
It's all talk shit about him.
Toggle mute. Why is my thing muted? I can hear everything else, but the system. Okay, chat mic, headphones, that's this, that's that. Wait, what? I can see chat, I can hear my music, but I cannot hear you guys on Zoom, which is odd.
You hear me?
Okay. Is it the chat? You hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you. Can you hear us?
The fuck? I'm at your speaker. How do I unmute my... How to unmute? Sorry guys for technical difficulties. This is not too serious though, so it should be fixed within the next like minute. How to unmute system audio. I never had this experience before. The fuck?
And click on the actual speaker icon. Once and unmute, store it back to the on the mix levels.
Sounds. I just don't look at GJ because I know like this 4 accounts gonna flip all this year. Yeah, hello? Sounds.
We can hear you. We're just ignoring you.
System. Okay.
Oh. All right.
Properties.
Time.
Levels. Device manager. Okay. Spot sound game controllers. Okay. And then use the arrows cursor. Double click on high definition. Okay. High definition. Select provide driver. Wait, what? Chat, I need help here. ASAP. Why? It's not as simple as you guys might think. No, it's not the output. It's the system. Like the output's on the right one. It's on the system, but it shows an X next to, like, it shows that my system audio at the bottom right corner is muted, and I can't unmute it. It won't let me unmute it, and I can clearly hear the system. Is it my Go XLR? It might be my Go XLR. Okay, system settings. Hello. Is that fixed? Oh man.
Done.
Testing.
Sometimes you have to change headset and headphones. Okay. You know what? I'll just get. I can get to the stream with just the chat. Yo, you guys talk now?
Yep.
Okay, now I can hear you. Okay, does the Zoom hear you though now? I can hear you guys now if I put my settings on chat, but this is not the usual settings. But as long as Zoom can hear you guys, it's fine, right?
Chat can't hear us, is what you're saying?
They could hear you now.
Don cannot hear us.
I can hear you now.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
All right, we good?
We good, but this is not the original settings.
Oh,
It's fine. It's fine. We'll get through this.
In life, you have to embrace change.
Well, you know what? Whatever. I don't know why. That's weird. If I can share my right screen to you guys, my left screen, you guys know what I mean here. It just doesn't. It just no working.
Simple Gumby.
Okay, so let's get started. Damn, that was a long intro. Okay, you guys can hear music. You guys can hear me. Okay, fine. Can you guys hear the thing though? If I go like this.
Turn me up.
Yeah, we can hear it.
Oh yeah, you can hear it too. Oh, okay, cool. All right, cool. Whatever. It's fine. All right. Welcome guys to the stream. Sorry for the little audio delays, but we are back. Yes, I am looking at GJ. For those that are asking and worrying, I am looking at GJ. I mentioned for the week we were bullish and we were gonna potentially tap this target this week, which we did tap today. Right, this is my target for the week. Next target is gonna be up here, looking left. If that breaks here, the price may struggle here for a bit. Daily time frame drop down to daily time frame. Daily time frame looks like it is bullish as well, right? Bullish. We were in a range. We got our breakout yesterday. Breaking out of range, closing above. Discount came up, looking left, clean traffic driving towards that resistance. Okay, so we approach this resistance here. That's our price rejected here. So those that are worrying, it's not a bank trap. So if you're looking for more buys today, this is my first target to this. Here's the thing: if you want buys today, you could have got buys, but the thing now is that the move already happened now. All right, the move happened, came towards that resistance. We really need a closure above here to be crispy clear for it, you know, to go up further. Like who knows? It might just go up today. This kind might just pop up. But if you look on the left, there's a resistance here. I would preferably want a closure above, and that's gonna be tomorrow's candle. So it won't be today, right? So obviously, it's part of trading. You gotta wait sometimes for your best entries, but if this, because this is a minor resistance, there's nothing too major. If we're starting to see some type of, you know, breaks above ranges on a small time frame, then high chance that may be the indication that we're gonna break up towards next level resistance. All right, so I mean, we're in this 4 hour range here. There's a resistance formed right here. I believe once you get a closure above there on the 4 hour time frame, it should be clean for price to drive up towards the next level resistance. That's the 4 hour time frame. That's above like 151,950, right? So drop down to the hourly. Yeah, so hourly came up last night, or came up during London, and then decided to create a resistance right here. Resistance formed, right? So I do believe if you do break this resistance, you should get buys going up to fill that range. Yeah, again, the range above here is pretty clean. The next resistance you have after that is gonna be up here. So this range here is gonna be around a 99 pip range. Ideally, I don't see the full move being completed today, but I think once you get that closure, it should be clean tomorrow, if anything. But who knows? We might get a move today. All right, so I mean, I'm not gonna call any shots and saying it's an awkward day today, but it could be a decent day. It's not so bad, the volume we have so far though. But yeah, probably buys above there. How big is this range here? From here to here, that's 30 pips. Wow, not bad too. Because even if you don't get that whole range today, we might get this range here, which is not bad. This is a 30 pip range. Again, all we're looking for is 10 pips. So once you break above here on a 30-minute time frame, I'll say, because the 15 or on a 1 hour time frame above there, you have a 30 pip range going up. So that's more than enough than what we need. So that's not bad. Yeah, anything below here would not be any buys. All right. If you're looking for sells though, it's gonna be very risky today. If you're looking for sells, first you need the 4 candle break the lows. Second of all, you need range 2 to break, which will probably be below here, below 151,366. Below here, I'll say. Below there, coming down towards the next support, which is down here. So I'm not sure how big that range is, but it's about a 20 pip range going down. That's GG though. Let's take a look at gold real quick. Gold here came up, tapped that resistance, nice, closed bearish yesterday. So I do believe gold's gonna continue down today, as we got a bearish closure yesterday at resistance. So we gotta come down, create support somewhere. Who knows where? But this is a day time frame. Price may come down towards the support, or either the support down here. And then obviously, since price is on a bullish trend still, at any given point on the day time frame, once you get a bullish candle closure creating that support, right? A bullish candle closure, not just, you know, a rejection, a bullish candle closure as support, you can anticipate price to pop back up to fill the top of the range again and then continue up, right? But I believe today will be more of a bearish day than bullish day on gold, as long as we respect these highs right here. So if I'm looking for these highs right here, right? So if I'm looking for buys today or sells today, sorry, let's drop down to a small time frame and see our ranges here. Probably below the support here at 1762.650 on a 4 hour time frame, or even, let's see, even below here, I'll say below here. The price came down, create support, or dash of support formed, and then right now you're creating resistance somewhere. Who knows? Let's put it here for now, right? But let's say this is the range you have. I'll say sells below here. Once you break below support, coming down towards this next support level, which is down here. And I think the range going down is around a 62-ish pip range. Not bad. That's not bad at all for gold. But I'll wait for sells below there. Don't get caught in the range. Okay, I gotta catch up with chat now. Yeah, why? Yo, I got a message today, people saying, yeah, let's pump Dogecoin, guys. Let's pump Dogecoin. Man, I just don't know why people love chasing quick bread, quick money. It just doesn't make any sense. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe because I've been there too many times. I've experienced it too many times. And I know that long term it doesn't last, but you know, like let's say you do pump Dogecoin today and then you make X amount. Long term, if you keep making those decisions of trying to get quick cash, you're gonna get fucked up in the end, regardless of what the outcome is. It's always like that. It always ends up like that. Taking shortcuts always ends up like that. Hashtag Chabala. The things aren't up yet. I was creating it last night, but I was so tired. I went to bed. Went to bed like at 10:30 yesterday. Keep this in mind. I woke up at 4 the day before, or sorry, slept at 2, slept for 4 hours. Did a leg day. Did not take one nap the whole day. I feel like I'm Gucci Mane from 2006. I can't share, but can you check AUD JPY? Yeah, send me a chart for that, my friend.
Nice try.
What up, Andre?
Morning.
What up, everyone in the Zoom chat? You see, sorry, sometimes when people come in the Zoom chat, I don't see you guys because I only see what's on my screen, and that's just Andre Marcos on the camera. So if you actually, if you guys don't have to, but whenever you guys go on the Zoom call, the Zoom chat, if you're on the video, I can see you.
What's up? Happy Doge Day.
ADS, no, happy Doge Day.
Yeah, it's Doge Day.
Happy 420, baby.
Today, no celery plays today.
No start replays today, guys.
Jane plays.
Yes, sir.
Mary Jane to the moon, dude.
Hey.
Green candles only. Turn both candles green.
Elon is in Dodge at 2 cents. That's why they're trying to pump it.
Yeah, all right. He's in that at 0.0001.
Exactly.
2 million with like a $2 million position.
2 million, like a $4 billion position. Unlike stocks, I don't think you have to register how much of a position you have if it's like a certain amount, anything like that. So he could have been gliding into Dodge for the last 6 months on the slick. And now I'm pumping it.
I'm trying to figure this out. Volume mixer won't let me mute. If I update my drivers from audio, will anything happen? Will the PC reset? Probably not, right? Let me try it. Okay, device manager. Okay. Gold to sound and audio. I can imagine Andre when he gets a PC, man.
You
I can just imagine Andre.
You imagine me super confused? Is that what you're
Yeah,
saying?
bro. I can just imagine super confused.
Calling
Like-
you all pissed off like I already do.
Yo,
I
like,
can't figure out my
I can't
AirPods.
wait to get your mic actually, because I know you're gonna call me. Yo, Don, how do I set this mic up, bro?
Oh, you already know, dude. You already
Just know whatever you do when you open up that boom arm, make sure you read what's on the boom arm. It's gonna say open
Yeah, you were telling
slowly.
me that.
This is a flick open. That thing has a lot of strength, man. NVIDIA high definition audio. Update driver. don't get it. Me no understand. Already installed. Okay, whatever. You know, I don't know, chat. I don't know. I'll wait till after the stream. You know, I'm gonna call Shifty after because that guy knows everything. So I'm gonna hit him up after. Shifty, are you here, bro? I know you're here watching. You ever smoked? Nah, man, I don't do that. I'm like Lil Yachty.
Okay. Okay.
What? It's so funny.
That was just funny. I'm like Lil Yachty.
I'm like Lil Yachty. He doesn't do anything. He's just like, he's the only rapper that doesn't do anything.
King. Is that shit even legal in Canada? You guys are weird over there.
It's legal.
Surprised anything legal over there.
It was illegal in Canada for some states, a majority of states, I believe, in the US. Chart for Dawn. Okay, guys, when you guys send a chart, you see how wait, this is a YouTube link, Andre. Am I tripping? I might be tripping, right? What? Wait, what? Hold on. Oh, there you go. Okay, when you guys send a chart, guys, for some reason you can't send the normal charts no more. It's weird. It's so weird. I don't know how I'm gonna work through this, but I'm gonna make like a little thing, a separate thing. Oh, there's the man, the myth, the legend, Carlo. Carlo's in the Zoom call.
Okay.
Hello, my brothers.
What's up, man?
Carlo, this chart is for you, bro, and I didn't even know you were coming.
Brother.
You saw that chart? That's a throwback chart.
The one you sent?
Yeah.
Wait, what? This is a throwback chart? I don't get it.
I just want to know about question number
Oh, it's not
3.
the chart you sent.
Everything else, not important.
Okay. Questions for... Okay, I like this chart. I like this chart. Okay, let's get started.
This is a chart that gets you on the Zoom.
Yeah, this is a chart. These are charts I want to see. Okay. Questions for Don. Okay, not taking selling today. Andre, you gotta work on that. Current range 1, next range 2, chalked probably staying out. Cleanest range 3, Chabala. Okay, that's pretty clean on GJ. Question for Don. Even though you're bullish on GJ, would you take sells on GJ if you broke 4 lows? Are you looking to leave runners today towards a daily or weekly target talked about in Slack? Do you have an overnight runners or $1 million in profit we should know about? Well, the first answer to that question is I will look for sells if range 2 breaks, which is below that 1513 300-ish 320-ish. Number 2, are you looking to leave runners today towards a day or weekly target? Maybe I might just close full at 10 pips today. My positions, actually, I don't know. I gotta see how I feel. Do you have an overnight runner or $1 million in profit we should know about? Yeah, so I have a runner. Wait, I actually, hold on, not on GJ, not on GJ. I might still have a runner on gold that's popped since last Friday. I might. That's it. Like, I don't know. No, I don't. Sorry, I got stopped out break.
Carlo's face.
I got stopped out break even.
He pops a 2-3 lot runner of like 200 pips, and he's like, "Oh yeah, let me just check if I have something running."
No, I got stopped. I actually for that position, I got stopped at break even at 1763. That was the entry for Friday, and then I got stopped at break even. I closed half on that position though, so I secured 2005. So if it looks like I took a trade today, I didn't. I didn't take one trade today yet. So yes. How do you trade when there's no price action to the left? You don't trade it, because you know why? You know what happens? You just have to guess. You know what? I think Dogecoin will go to $4. You know what? I think Bitcoin will go to 69k, or yeah, 69k. Oh, you know, I think Bitcoin will go to 70k. You see how you're making predictions now? Emotional predictions. All right. That's why whenever there's, whenever we're at all-time highs, I tend to just kind of sit out unless I'm looking to invest it long term. Like long term, I mean like 10 plus years or so. All right. You need clear trades taken? I'm sorry, bro. Usually Andre does that stuff for me.
Stream is on the 19th of April. I had to double check what date it is today.
People really check that stuff. I'm sorry. You know what? There's so much issues today with the stream.
Yeah, there's a lot going on. I actually did message you too in Zoom, letting you know about trade calls.
Oh, I should have put title with 420. I'm putting 420. 420 blaze it. Let's go.
420
celebrating. You celebrating today?
Call me Ghostface, bro. You already know.
Yeah. Whitey.
420. Yeah, 420 to title as a stream. How much percentage do you make a month? On average, around 34%. 30 to 40%. Not per trade like some of you guys, some of you demons in the chat. 30 to 4% account growth. Beast. On average.
34%. Fucking Christ.
People make that in a trade, and then they decide to disappear off the earth after they take a loss. Never show up on Instagram ever again.
Do they make it at a significant account size? That's the real question.
Yeah, some people do actually.
30% of 1,000. That's nice and easy.
Yo, Lock, my bad. Your chart. Petrol buys above there. Yeah, that was clean. I saw that too. What's this, 1 hour time frame? Yeah, above there. We have the same thing marked up right here, I think. Yeah. To the T. I think we're gonna get sells up below the support. I believe we're gonna get some more sells today, but let's see what happens. Andre, looking at sells today?
On gold, yeah.
Or looking at these 30-minute starter play buys?
Nah, I'm probably gonna stay out of that range. That range is chalked.
Okay.
It's gross.
Chalked.
It's gross.
What news affects gold and GJ? Also, if you can you provide explanation for why it affects it? I assume you use Forex Factor for news. Yeah, so what affects gold is if you look at gold, right? You know what? Let's do simple math here. XAU, USD, GJ. Okay. You see how gold has this in it? You see how gold has that good in it? What is this? What do you see in here? I spot my little eyes. 3 letters. 3 letters that, what is that? USD. Therefore, all USD news will affect gold. To make it simple, all right, I'm gonna explain this. So you know how they have books out there that says this for dummies? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna explain this most simplest way. All right. So you see how this is placed second and not first? If this is placed first, like let's say it was USD XAU, right? Let's say it was flipped. Then in that case, whenever a dollar goes down, gold will go down. But since gold is a safe haven and it's gold dollar, whenever the dollar goes up, gold will go down. Whenever dollar go down, gold will go up. Right? This is how it works with the currencies, right? Because gold's a safe haven. Economy loses money, economy goes down bad. People want to put their money towards gold. Therefore, it pumps gold up as people are putting more money into it. Okay? GJ, however, has nothing to do with the dollar. But since we're trading the NY session here, whenever you do get volume coming in for $1, whenever you do get news coming in, FOMC and NFP, it'll push GJ as well, volume wise, because it'll bring volume to the markets, right? Or maybe sometimes slightly it does affect the yen though, because the yen's a safe haven as well. Yen's the same as gold. They're both safe havens. Therefore, dollar goes down bad, people put the money towards the yen goes up, GJ drives down. So that's why GJ and the dollar usually moves together, because the yen is again, it's not the first one, it's the second one. You got that? How do you trade when? Okay, read that. You need to clear trades. I read that. Would you sell gold if this 15-minute closes bearish? No. I'm gonna sell gold if you break below 1766 today. Below 1766, coming down towards 1760.078 or 108. Hey, look at GJ. Yeah, GJ's pushing down here. Yeah. 4 hour broke the lows here. Just broke the lows. Andre, so you tried to say you were looking for sells if it breaks the lows, right? Oh no, you just asked me that. You asked me that.
Yeah.
So you're not taking sell even if you break range 2 today?
This range right here.
Not bad.
That range just looks
Disgusting. Is the word.
disgusting. It just looks so not clean. Yeah. I'll just wait. We'll just chill.
Okay.
I don't think we're gonna get a move on gold until we get some volume from NYC Open. So I'll just chill and troll the chat until then or something.
Nice.
Carlo's here. It's a holiday. Chill with Carlo. Talk to him in the Zoom.
You hold the F function key. What's the F function key?
Probably still look for buys, to be honest.
Command.
Bro, we had a girl yesterday that joined the meeting at work, and her mic didn't work. Only her camera, and she couldn't fix it. And I was like, try Alt F4. Do you know what Alt F4 is? It's like force quit.
Oh,
It just
yeah,
closes the application, and you
yeah.
press it, and you just see she's gone. Like click.
That's so mean, bro. Why?
I was joking, like everybody knows that. I was like, oh, try with Alt F4. And she tried it, and she just got like cut off. Like, she joined back, and she's like, "The fuck happened?" I was like, "Usually works for me."
So something that Andre probably do, you know?
I was just about to say that is some shit that I would do. If you told me to do that, I'm like, yeah, sure, I'll do that.
Alt F4, click, gone.
For sure, Andre. That's funny. I don't know how to fix this, and it's really bothering me, guys. I know it's fine for you guys, but why? Why? Why?
I think some sells on GJ, bro. It's gonna be below here. This clean ass traffic.
I like that. How big is that range coming down below there, though?
Wait, Lodge.
Pretty nice, right? Like a 20 pip plus range.
Below there is like 50, 40 pips. Below the place he's looking. 45 pips.
Let's see. Below there, that's around yeah, but a 43 pip range, not bad. I just believe yeah, I mean, I think I will attempt sells below there too, but I think I'm gonna attempt sells below here as well in this range here, because the 4 are breaking the lows now, right? So I'm expecting price to maybe pop down to fill this range.
Maybe. 4 hours broke lows yesterday too, and it still just continued up.
Yeah.
So I'm not 100% certain on sells. Not to mention this 30 minutes about to flip bullish.
Well, obviously I'll wait for a closure, right? But yeah, it's definitely nice, clean. Control FX, do you study count patterns? No, I don't like patterns. I just think it's too random. And what I mean by too random is just like, yeah, guys, look, there's 3 counts in a row that are bullish. That's take a sell here, right? Or there's 3 bearish candles in a row. This is not a good buy. This is a sell because there's 3 straight bullish candles. This is too much guessing, too much predicting, and I hate guessing and predicting in FX. I hate it. There's never like, and everything that I do in FX now, there's no predicting and guessing. It's all off of sample size. It's all off of doing the same thing over and over again, right? But I hate when it comes down to, like, whenever people asking questions like, "Yo, Don, how do you feel about those 14 bullish candles in a row on GJ on a 15-minute time frame?" Like, what do you mean? It's just 14 bullish candles in a row, right? Like, I don't really believe in patterns. I don't know. You know what I mean? Like, I understand it. Like, I understand wicks, candles, but I don't like patterns. I don't look at it as patterns. Yeah, I understand wicks. Like, wicks are right here. This is a wick, right? This is a wick. This is a wick. These are wicks. These are wicks. And all these wicks here are doing one thing. And that one thing that they're all doing is they're just respecting the support here. Therefore, I drew a line there. I know that if price were close below there, you have a high chance that price may continue down to break and continue down towards the support down here. All right, so I'll wait for a closure in this case. And that's the difference between a closure and a wick. Because the closure is going to be doing what these candles here, looking left, couldn't do, which is stay below. Yes, and it tells me a story, right? Because I know on a 30-minute time from this wick here, it's just a 15-minute bullish candle and a 5-minute bullish candle. 5-minute bullish candle going up, right? That's how that was. So I'm looking for buy GJ. I'll look for buys on GJ if we like Andre said, I think he had a perfect target marked up like that above that resistance there. I have my a little higher in the 4-hour time from here, but above 151.951 above they would be perfect buys for us to go up. But right now in this range here, I'm probably gonna stay out until we actually get a breakout, right? So just relax, guys. It's 420. I know you guys are on some, but you know, relax a little bit, just vibe out. Make sure you don't go too crazy today. All right, be safe. Very new at trading and kept losing trades since I found your channel. Out of the past 20 trades, I've only lost 2. Thanks for your awesome knowledge and how you teach us on your channel. Hey man, no worries. I'm glad you're killing out there. I just hope those past 20 trades weren't in a day. But I love, man. Continue to do what you do. That's how that is. Hey guys, look at USD CAD. Yes, they made a chart, man. Come on, man. Cough the BMW. What? That's what he says, eh? This is the sound that made me want to get a BMW.
So what's today? Everybody goes out and gets get blazed.
Samurai, you never heard of 420?
I know about it. I just shake my head.
I'm surprised. I'm like, wait, what? I didn't know what 420.
I mean, yeah. Like I'm listening. I'm reading the comments and it's crazy.
Yo, Lock, I checked your chart already. It was the same as mine. Yeah, I checked that. I talked about it earlier. Unless you sent me another chart, but I checked that one already, I think. Hey man, I'm new to this. I made 60 in 2 days and started with 250 today. Is this good? No. That's not good because that's around, according to my calculations, you start with 250 today and you made 60 in 2 days. Well, I don't know what you started with. I don't know. Maybe you started with, I don't know, because you said you're at 250 today and you made 60 in 2 days. So 250 minus 60 is 190. So from 190 to 250 is about, what was that, like a 30%? Around that range? My math is off. But around that range, that's a bit too high, man. Like percentage wise, right? For money wise, it may look fine. Like, yeah, 250, 190 to 250. but long term, is a 30% account growth, you know, in 2 days sustainable over time? Right? So it comes down to it being bad profits, right? Because if you keep have those habits in trading of trying to over leverage to make a certain amount in your account quick, it comes to a point later on it'll hit you, and it'll give you a setback, a huge setback. So you don't want to do that. The education you provide every day on the channel every day is priceless. Thank you. That's what you try to do every day, you know, David. But I don't understand a wick that is long from both sides. What does that mean when the market is undecided? I don't think a candle decides a market, man. I just think a wick, if a candle were like this, if this is a candle, nothing happened. We did not break support, or sorry, price came down, price broke highs, but never broke support. Therefore, there's no sells yet, right? Because it depends on where we close. But usually in these are probably news scandals, because on a 15-minute time frame, like let's say this is a 30-minute time frame, on a 15-minute time frame, probably looks something like this. Yeah, it's price going up. Price doing this. This is how it probably looks on a 15-minute time frame. So this is a 30-minute time frame, and this is a 15 probably, because this is what's creating this, something like this, right? So probably news that happens that quick. Oh no, I can't play this song. I can't play this song. I can't play this song. I was gonna play some Lil Uzi Vert XO Tour Life. Is this a good chart? I hope I can see it. Oh, thank God, I can see it. Okay, I'm actually gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and save this chart review so I can nice. So what you sent me? Send me that. Copy. Would you take a buy if the candle closes bullish? That's a good idea, actually. It's not a bad idea. The only thing I'm skeptical about is the 4-hour breaking the lows. If the 4-hour wasn't breaking the lows and we get a bullish candle closure on a 30-minute time frame / a 15-minute time frame, it will indicate that we may push up towards the top of the range like you drew here. So right here. So with that being said, if we were able to pop up towards there, then we may be able to actually flip bullish to continue further up towards this range as well. But since the 4-hour candle broke the lows, I'm a bit skeptical about it. So I think the better buys for me would be above here or either above here, but probably above the 900 mark like I mentioned. Because look at the 4-hour time frame and look too good, right? How are you, bro? Took a week starting off. Okay, took a week off. Last time I took a week off, I came back and I forgot everything about FX. After hopefully no copyright vibes. It's probably copyrighted, but like I can play one song every day. I mean, technically I can play the whole Young Thug album. Like if I play here's the thing, if I play one song that's not copyright free music, the whole day I can play copyright free music or uncopyright free music, because I already broke the guidelines for that day. I already demonetized my video automatically, so I can just kind of go on with it forever. And you know, like, sure, I'm missing on like, you know, $4 or $5 on the YouTube side, but again, like, Depends on the day though. I don't do it every day. Depends on the vibes. If you guys are nice, you know, if you guys come in here, you guys are, I see you guys hyped up, I usually tend to do so. But if you guys come in here dead, no good morning, just Don, take a look at GJ. I'll play you guys this lo-fi music. What's the sustainable amount for someone who really knows what he's doing about being greedy? Oh, without being greedy? Sustainable is whatever sustainable amount, right? It can be whatever. It's just as long as it's sustainable. For me, sustainable for me, I don't know. I'll say I don't want to put any numbers out because I'll say I average 30% account growth a month, but it doesn't mean that, you know, I get 30% every month. Sometimes I get more, sometimes I get less. But like, you know, I don't think I focus on, guys, is honestly, don't focus too much on making, you know, don't focus too much on the future of making such and such in a period amount of time. Just focus more on doing the same thing every day. That's it. Wake up every day, do your same markups every day, look for your same entries every day, look for your same trades every day, and that long term will keep you in the game long term. It can grow you to whatever. What is this? Buys above there. Yep. You get the same ideas, my friend. Oh wait, no we don't. This is actually not a bad idea. That's actually not a bad idea. Stefano got a chart here on the 30-minute time from here. Right here. That's actually not bad.
Yeah, even the 1 hour have that resistance.
That's a decent resistance, yeah. Yeah. It's not bad. I'm up 4.44% since the start of the month, aiming for around 8 to 10% by the end of the month. Don't aim for it, just trade it as you see it. Don't aim for those things though, because then you're gonna put pressure on yourself, right? You don't want to put pressure on yourself. Do you use fibs? No. I use something called my eyes. Yeah, we're gonna use fibs there. Whatever you see my screen's all I use, right? Whatever you see my screen. Hey bro, how are you? Took a trade start off today. What do you think of this, GJ? I got you, man. Is this your first trade back? Hope all went well with this trade. I'm hungry, man. I need some water. I'm hungry. I need some water. Is this the same? Is this the same chart? This is the same chart, man. Another 200 likes today. Or should we try aim? I think we should aim for 420. I think for 420 we need like at least 800 viewers in here, minimum. Hey, and same, yo, hey, that example that I just provided about, you know, growing an account and not focusing on the money and just focusing on doing the same thing every day. It's the same concept for streaming. Like, who knows if I even get 1,000 viewers at one point. All right, who knows? I'm like, that's not my goal though. I'm just aiming to do the same thing every day, and that's to show up and provide you guys the same value every day plus more, and don't expect anything in return, because naturally things will obviously work out and grow, right? But like, I'm not planning for things to happen like that. I don't plan to get 10k viewers or 1k viewers. Like, I have, obviously people have dreams, but I don't want to put pressure on myself that I need to, you know, have such and such. I'm already grateful for the amount of viewers I have. Karma works wonders. Yeah, good karma though, not bad karma. No, he doesn't. Imagine if he doesn't believe in count behaviors, no way he's gonna use fibs. Yeah, Samurai, you said it right. Gold breakout.
Yeah. Yeah, I was looking at that and I was like, well, if he doesn't believe in candle patterns, in no way is he going to believe in fibs.
Yeah. I have nothing against them. It's too much randomness in predicting for me. I like to avoid all that. Why ignore
You know
wicks
the
when
theory
drawing
behind
spawn
it, right?
resistance? I'll tell you why, man. I'll tell you why. I will tell you why. You see the supporter? What's one thing Price did here with all these wicks here? Came down, rejected. Came down, rejected. Came down, rejected. Okay? So if you were to get, I'm waiting for a closure below. So if we were to get a closure below, what's the difference in that candle closing below compared to those wicks looking left? This candle closing below is closing below, closing below,
Closing below.
doing what those candles looking left couldn't do. These candles here couldn't stay below. They all came down, rejected, and came back up. Therefore, if we get a closure below, it indicates that we're getting volume coming into markets, and we should continue down towards the next level of support. And that's what we've been doing for the past. No, I mean, the way I've drawn my small resistance has been the same way for the past like year and a half. So, right. So it comes back down to just understanding the whys to doing certain things. Even when it comes down to the smallest, slightest things, like drawing a line in your chart, or drawing a slight support resistance, like why you're drawing it there and not there, right? Good morning. As I am still new to your channel and not knowledgeable with your terminology, is there a way to get them? Terminology, you mean like the words I say? Like Algordays, Jabala, Play, like stuff like that. Because for that I'm working on, I'm actually almost done the document, the Google slides for it. So I'm gonna share it with you guys, and then every time you guys have a question about that stuff, I'm just gonna put exclamation point commands, and then the whole command list will pop up and you guys can see what I'm referring to, which is pretty dope. Chalked. I see. Thanks so much. Why don't you use the 5-minute and 10-minute? 10-minute? That's kind of. I never used a 10 my whole life actually. The 5-minute I use sometimes, but not really for my entries. I know people who use 5 minutes though that are very successful with it. It's just for me, I don't really use it as much. It's all personal preference, right? The main reason I don't use it is just because I see a 5-minute breaking lows a lot of times and highs and still respecting structure, whereas the 15-30-minute are higher time frames and they usually tend to respect it a lot more. Do you use no free promo device? No, I don't use no free promo device. So are you from? Are you from? I am from Canada. Are you from?
Oh man, today is something else.
I think it's just a normal day. I'm getting used to this these days. I think it's pretty normal now.
Don, you need to do a exclamation point for where are you from, and the second one is
Origin.
What are you?
I thought it was Chabala. It's Chabella, but it's the same thing. That word originated from Andre. So without Andre, if Andre and Carlo never became friends, then we wouldn't have gotten that word. That's crazy to believe, wouldn't it? Because that word is just the vibes on the streams. That word is what makes the vibes. Ciao, Bala. Hey, if you look at gold here on like the 15-minute time frame, this might be a fake out. I didn't see this actually. 30-minute, 15-minute fake out. You had like a range like right here, support, and then you had a resistance right here. So you know, obviously price came down, going against the trend today, broke back into the range. We should continue up, right? So if we break this, those are gonna be beautiful, beautiful buys going up to for the range. So let's wait for that, guys. It's the early day. It's, you know, day's still young. It's only 7:30. Not much has happened yet. We vibing. We vibing. I was looking at this earlier too. This range wasn't bad. It wasn't that bad of a range. Like on the way the way the 30-minute candle closed above this start, give us a starter play plus a closure. On a 15-minute time frame, looking left, that was pretty clean traffic driving up towards that range. This right here, it wasn't bad of a move. But yeah, like I just decided to avoid this range today and just get buys and above here, which is fine. 6:30, 6:30, 6:30. Oh yeah, perfect kind of closure on the 15 too. Wow, that was pretty clean.
I got a question about that scenario. I was looking at it as well.
That was pretty clean. Yeah, what's up?
So this 15-minute closes above, right?
Yes.
The entry is here. You're targeting this this resistance here, stop losses down here, but like I guess in this situation all this kind of was like bothering me here, and then at this point the 4-hour high that was bearish had not been broken yet, and the daily and 4-hour were both bearish, which kept me out. Were those two things like were bearish for the day on gold, and then we're in this like little chalked range here, would that have kept you out, or you would have taken the buys and felt comfortable?
I stayed up for a reason. I think the reason was like what you said, right?
4-hour and daily were both bearish.
Yeah, if given time.
Yeah, we didn't break in those 4-hour highs yet, so it was like,
yeah. So yeah, I mean, although like I'm looking back at it, it is clean, but being realistic, I don't think I would have got in.
Yeah.
You gotta be real.
Well, we both didn't.
Yeah. I think I would have got in.
I thought that when we broke the 30-minute highs, me and you were talking about, you're like, oh, are you looking for these buys in the 30-minute seller play going up? And I noticed them, but I was like, 4 hours bearish, daily's bearish. Like, I'm really not looking for sells in that range, or excuse me, buys in that range. I look for buys above that range when we break 4-hour highs, but
yeah. Yeah, and it tends to happen a lot though, like where we see certain moves, it just doesn't match your buys, just kind of stay out. Plays out and that doesn't play out, right? It's just the same thing though. Which is good. Good discipline. Elliot Wave Theory has sent a chart here. What's going on, Elliot Wave Theory? Stops below previous candle lows, buys up 30-minute candle, closes bullish, close half around here for 30 pips. See how runners react around this area. If breakthrough, it's clean traffic to 152, now 15. What's this? Interesting 30-minute time frame. You're looking at this, right here. This is not bad. Like I don't think if the 4-hour broke the lows, I would have attempted this, because now I'll expect the 4 candle to flip bullish, and as the 4 is flipping bullish on a small time frame, we'll be breaking through those ranges. This is what I expect the 4 candle to do if we never broke the lows. But now, if the previous candle here had no bottom wick and we broke the lows, I will be 100% in this position here. Because if this had no bottom wick and we came down, broke the lows, and came back up, that'd be a different scenario. Because that's something that we've been backtesting for quite some months here. I think the past 3 months here. But that's not bad entry. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. Let's see, how big is this range above here? That's 11 pips. That's not bad as well. I don't know. Like this looks too left and left. It's kind of choppy for me. I just kind of want buys above here. This range is 50 pips though. That's the thing. This is a huge range. A 50 pip range.
I was expecting a bottom wick, so I didn't enter.
Oh yeah, plus no bottom wick too. Good eye. Good eye.
That's what kept me out.
Yeah, me too.
I had the finger on the trigger.
I'm gonna get some water. For some reason, I don't have my water. My cup filled today. Give me like 1 second.
Nine pips on GJ on that 30-minute candle.
Yep.
Good place to move stops to break even and chill. Marcos, I know you see there's a little pimple nipple there.
Well, yeah, a little pimple nipple.
A what?
Time comes back at the wrong time.
The wrong time, yeah. No context. Demonetized.
You're lucky. I know the context, but
Well, you haven't made the lingo
Always
sheet,
talking about
so
nipples.
it's your fault for not
should
making
I put
the
that on the sheet?
Yeah, it's got to be on nipple wick.
Oh, yeah.
Nipple wick and pimple
Yeah.
wick.
People need to know that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I feel like we talk about it every day, and everyone's like, "What is that?"
They just need to know for the context, so they're not like, what's a nipple?
Okay. Yeah, we do have a lot of a lot of terms in this chat here.
Yeah.
A lot of made up terms.
If you're new, you might think we're speaking a different language.
Yeah, for real. Sorry.
Talking about vegetables and nipples. What's going on here? These guys right here, officer. I can always count on Samurai to laugh at my jokes.
No, that was funny. I like that. These guys over here.
Oh, that was so bad, Marcos. I'm playing.
I didn't even know I was unmuted on that one.
This guy is laugh. This guy said LOL in real life.
ROFL.
This is an LOL in real life. Samurai, do you know what LOL means?
Oh, stop it, bro.
That's messed up.
The funny thing is, all the stuff that you say and do, I'm around people every day that, you know,
But
talk like that. Or
Anyways.
And plus, I'm on social media all the time, so I don't know all this urban dictionary.
do you
shit.
think it's crazy though that like 20 years or not even 20 years ago, like 15 years ago, you know, no one said those type of abbreviations like LOL,
They did.
LMAO. Like 20 years ago, really? Before social media?
Oh,
There's no way.
Not 20 years
Really?
ago. But Facebook been out. And
Okay, I'm talking about like before that stuff though. Like, isn't it crazy that
No.
like
yeah, it is a bit but there was no platform
Yeah, obviously, right? Yeah, you can't say LOL until some real life before, like LOL.
Yeah.
Bro, every time you talk about inventions, it reminds me of this one meme that TikTok that I showed you guys. Remember I had that TikTok of when was running invented? And then it showed like 1948 at the 1947 they were walking and they weren't running yet. Man.
Yeah.
Every time I look at those TikTok, like those videos, or someone brings up like a throwback, I just imagine that. Oh man. What has DJ been doing here? Nothing. Alright. No bond working this candle though. We're tapping this resistance here. So if you guys got in on the position there on the opening of that candle, you got like around 8 pips. I would say move stops to break even here. This candle shouldn't flip bearish if it wants to drive up. Alright. So I'll be very skeptical about that. Very, very skeptical about that, sir. I don't know. This is just kind of choppy here. Like I want buys above here, but I know that if you break above here, you have. I mean, how big is this range? It's enough range, right? But looking left, it's just not as clean. And we need clean. Carlo, my brother, you're back. Well, Carlo just dipped off actually, so you missed him. Where's, prime Carlo was like January, I think, or no, December, January, around that range, right? That was prime Carlo. That was when Carlo was calling every single gold position on the charts, on the screen. He was at his prime.
He was singing for likes.
Yeah,
He would sing for likes. He would count them out.
And now he's busy. Okay.
1 hour is not bad on GJ. She get a closure as is, kind of like a 1 hour fake out. It's not. It's a lot cleaner.
If you had a 1 hour closure, I'm taking buys. Yeah, that's not a long time. That's in 20 minutes.
Yeah, it is.
So let's see if we even like get one.
New York volume. If it just chills like this, New York volume on the closure. Stops to break even at that little support. That's already like 10 pips, 12 pips.
Yeah, which would remind me of yesterday because we got the same entry yesterday around the same time. NY Open.
Exact same time.
We had an entry at NY Open plus NY Open and 850. Those 2 times. What day is it today? Tuesday? How many trades have I taken this week? Let's see how many trades I've taken this week. Okay, I took 1 break-even trade on GJ. A buy yesterday. 2 buys yesterday. I took 2 trades this week. Not bad. The break-even gold buy was from Friday. Got stopped at break-even today, so therefore profits will show on my screen today, but it wasn't ready from today yet.
Did you take 3 positions? 1 break even.
Oh yeah.
On Sunday night, 2 on yesterday's stream.
Yes.
Nothing last night.
Oh yeah, 3. What did I say? 2. 3 positions. Last night, no, nothing, man. Nothing.
Yeah, last night was chalked.
I ain't know what happened last night. I no, it wasn't. I saw buys on GJ, I think. Was it? Yeah, it was GJ. I saw buys around. I was looking at this, but what was it? Where was it? I think it was right here. This is Asian for me last night.
Yeah, last night I had clean ass buys on the 50-minute on GJ.
Yeah, I stayed out though because there's no top wick on this 15-minute counter here. This is the entry that I wanted.
Yeah, the 30 had no top wick, so like.
Yeah, so I stayed out.
At the 7:45.
What time was that at?
This is at 7:30 pre Asian. It was pretty clean, and my TP is like right around like here or something. Like I think it was right here. This is a move.
I didn't hop on until like 8:30.
Oh yeah, I think after that was pretty rangy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty naughty. You're like, what the fuck's going on? What's it gonna do here? Oh yeah, I was gonna remark this up. 30-minute support formed. 15-minute range. Can I just go back? I can't. Damn.
We answered on the 1 hour yesterday at exactly 8 o'clock, right? Now that I think about it.
We answered yesterday at 8 a.m. Yeah, 8:01.
Yeah.
And then the second entry was at 8:57 or 8:50 or something like that.
Be cool. Back-to-back 8 a.m. entries on the 1 hours. Be cool. Interesting stuff.
This 15 about closer in about 15 or 30 seconds, 4 or 5 seconds here. Should close bullish here.
Meet Pelwick.
Is GJ 15162 not considered resistance to be worried about?
6 what? 622.
Yeah, around like here, I guess. Around this range.
Yes, but it's minor because you're worried about the most recent. And the candle already blew through it. And even if that is a resistance, right? Let's say you wait for the 1 hour candle and closer, which it is. Which it looks like it is. Even if we were to get there, that'll be a break-even trade anyways. Exactly.
Because you look left before that, you have clean traffic anyways, driving price up towards here. That's like 5, 6, 7 pips, and then break even. Consistent price to drive up. So at the end of the day, the end of the session, if all goes well, this is what's gonna happen today if we do continue up. All right. So you guys might see this 2 times. Yeah, you guys gonna see it now, and you guys gonna see it later on when I make a post about this. What the GG buys. All right, this is what you would probably want today. If you can't get an entry on this candle closure once the 1 hour candle closes, you can get an entry in once we close above this range here. And if you miss that, then you get buys above this range here, above 151.951. Oh. Hey, 4 hour just broke highs on gold. Wow. 4 hour just broke highs. Can you confirm a market maker, please? I did yesterday. I already paid him $1,000 yesterday to make the move for me today, or yesterday. I'm running low on funds for a market maker. Did he stop you out? No, he didn't. Yesterday he gave us like 30 pips yesterday, remember? He gave us 30 pips yesterday, Brody. Brody, the headset winner. What's going on, man? You're from Australia. I knew you were somewhere like that's like further in Asia. I said Asia because you had to pay a lot of fees, but that's like Australia, so it's even further, and the shipping probably costs a lot more.
Bro, the shipping was probably like at least like $100.
That shit was more than the headsets, bro. That's just like $200. Yeah, that's a lot. That's a.
I haven't even I'm gonna go to the post office today. I had like back-to-back clients yesterday. I couldn't even make it, so we'll see. I'm gonna get an estimate and send him a picture and make sure he's down for the.
And then you gotta pay duties.
The shipping cost.
Where's your duties? There should be duties, right?
Probably, yeah.
Bro, I hate duty fees.
No, you can. He can sign off on it and like make it a gift or whatever.
That's what I do.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Andrew, you should do that. When you send the package, like say like it's a gift or something, instead of put an actual thing on it, because then they'll just charge him like another like whatever percentage.
Technically, it is a gift.
Yeah, it is a gift though. Yeah, like you're not selling it though. Yeah, you're not selling it.
Yeah, no, I'm just giving it to him. So.
Cause this is one time I bought pants for like I think 3K. And
Okay,
duties,
with the light flex.
duties. If you put duties there, bro, duties would have been like, bro, like $300.
Wait, which pants are those again?
Chrome Hearts jeans.
Oh yeah.
So he put as a gift. Say yeah, $20 Levi jeans. I'm like, okay, bless. Cause it looks like $20 Levi jeans.
I mean, they literally are. Like, they
Yeah.
literally are Levi jeans.
Yeah,
Were
literally.
they Levi's?
Yeah, they're Levi's, pretty
Yeah.
much. But with Chrome Hearts on them, which makes it like 10x the price. 100x
Bro,
actually.
10x, bro.
100x.
150x.
Market maker scanned you yesterday, bro. Excuse me. The market maker's on to you guys too today. Sarah Motique. The market maker's on you.
We get a 30-minute closure on gold above 1775. About 10 minutes. I'll probably take those buys.
Oh, yes, sir. Yeah,
I'm
4
gonna
hour
get
starter
under
play as
30
well.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Who knows?
sir.
Could push super hard and then stops will become massive, but something like Dom's drawing out right now, that looks good.
Oh, yes,
Ooh,
sir.
Okay.
Imagine
Okay.
180 M count looking like this. That'd be perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is perfect. Because where's the next resistance here? Looking left, like the next nearest resistance is like right here, right? Right in that range. I'll put like right here.
Yeah, that's actually where I got mine marked up. Bless you. A daily high on gold is pretty high. It's the only thing I don't like.
What do you like again? Sorry.
The daily high, it's at 1790. So like we're technically still bearish.
We broke the lows, but we're flipping bullish here. It's gonna be crazy. Interesting.
Crazy.
Yeah, 15-minute fake out back in range. Wait for a 30-minute closure above and we get buys going in. This range is 70 pips. Oh my. Would you play stops for GJ below the 30-minute candle? I'll play if the 1 hour does close bullish, like I want a closure or something like this though, like a bit higher. I'll place some stops below the 1 hour candle lows. This is what I expect price to do.
30-minute closes bearish. Would you take a celery? Like at that resistance?
Probably not. Because the 1 hour close is way too weak if it closes like this, right? It'll close like doji-ish.
Yeah. Then it's kind of like the hourly's just coming up to top resistance, right?
Yeah. So in that case, I'll probably stay out. You took any trades today yet?
No.
Yo, you finally got a good day yesterday.
Yeah, trust. Just needed that.
Good wins. Wait for closure or start playing gold.
Like maybe like with 8 a.m. volume, it could play out.
What, GG or gold?
Gold. Like assuming the 30 closes bearish.
Oh yeah, but
We'll see.
you mean bullish?
No, bearish. Like if we had a celery play above the 30.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jack Fung, if the third minute here closes bearish here, the 1 hour still closes bullish, I'll anticipate a start play. But if we close above range, then we close above range. I'm stuck in my throat. Man. Something's stuck in my throat. What up, Jimbo? GJ should retest the swing highs at 152, swing highs, swing low, swing sideways. Yeah, 152. Yeah, I think for that to happen though, you need to really start to close bullish at support, right? 4 hours breaking the lows here. With that being said, we may just pop back down the range here. So maybe not today, right? But might not be today, but it could be the week, because the week is bullish though. Therefore, high chance you have the price to continue up. And the thing about the weekly is that the weekly tapped that target already for the week. Like our target this week was, the first thing you said was there was support form here. We're going to continue up towards this range here. And from there, it's like, okay, now we need a closure above here on the day time frame for us to continue further up. So if you start to range today, or start to just not break above those current ranges today, then we may just make a move tomorrow once you get that day count closure. And that'd be pretty sweet. But I want this day count closures to be above, obviously. Because if we close like this tomorrow, then expect an algo day tomorrow. If we close like this on a daytime, if we look left tomorrow, it's clean traffic driving up towards the top of the range. Like that would be pretty clean. You think there's a good chance to touch 152 today? I mean, we can, right? But again, like you need you need the 4 count of bullish, and you need the 1 hour 30 minute kind of time frames to at least create support somewhere and close bullish. And in this case, is looking very chalk there. I think if you break above here though, then we may actually push up towards the top of the range, and probably struggle in a bit around these areas here. I'm not sure about 152, but 151, 950 maybe potentially. It just depends on how we react in this area. We must break above this resistance though for that to happen. All right, you gotta stop thinking though. You gotta start seeing. Stop thinking, right? Stop thinking, guessing, and predicting. Hey Chief, take a look at my gold. I got you.
I just cringe when I hear people say that.
Hey Chief.
Yeah.
It was a thing. It was a thing like 2 years ago or a year ago, I think. 2 years ago. This is a colorful chart. Got a nice flag going on here. Rejection from major zone. Bullish kind of broke the zone and closed bullish, leaving a wick to fill. Took a buy on the close of the previous candle with stops below the low of the previous candle. Nice. This is a good trade. Yeah, this is a gold buys, right? Yeah, gold buys that we're looking at earlier. Pretty clean. Yep. 30 minute candle close above the range. 30 minute starter play as well. With that being said, it was pretty clean here. Nice, man. Good job. Good job. Good job. It's a 10 out of 10 chart. Do you think we can get 420 pips today? We get 420 points today. Who knows? Might get 420 pips today too. Who knows? But just make sure you know the difference between points and pips, right? Especially being trained for. Never mind. We should say sensei instead. Sensei. Hey sensei. Guys, make sure you guys know the difference between points and pips though. For real. A lot of people don't know the difference. A lot of people. A lot of experienced people don't know the difference. Should we say sensei instead? You know what you guys can call me?
On.
The market is there.
Nice.
I am the market maker. What do you want, my friend?
Mr. Miyagi's son.
How does it go? Swipe left? Swipe right? Is that how it goes? Swipe left, swipe right? Or is it swipe or someone else?
Wax on, wax
Oh
off.
yeah, wax on, wax off. Swipe left, swipe right.
Swipe. This ain't Tinder.
This man's been on Tinder.
Alright, hold on.
Swipe.
Wax on, wax off. Yo. Actually, nah. Look, it's fun. It's too fun. Okay, so you know that scene in Karate Kid when Jackie Chan tells Jay Smith to take the jacket on and jacket off.
Yeah.
Okay, now. Okay, I'll stop it there. Oh man. Okay, you know what? Fuck it. Okay, yeah, Marcos. Now say. So you know how he says, you know, like that scene when he put the jacket on the thing and says to take the jacket off, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh shit, Brad. Okay. You don't get it? You can't make the connection? Just keep saying it over and over again in your head. No, I was fucking dying.
You need to go to bed. That's it. Stream off.
What up, Brody? I'm listening. Would you consider a buy position if GJ pre-breaks the bullish candle highs on 3rd minute? If GJ breaks the previous bullish candle highs, no, because 1 hour is bearish. Doji at least, right? Bearish. So I'll probably stay out until we actually break out the range. I mean, you guys can, right? It's just I don't feel comfortable, and I don't really like how it looks in this area. She just dropped the level of maturity. Hey guys, 420 today, you know. Yo, further, we might get the 1 hour closing. Well, not really above, but above this resistance here, I say. If we can get the 30-minute starter play here, that'd be lovely for us to continue up. 30-minute close bearish at resistance, right? So if you come up, break the highs, the 1 hour candle fill in that wick, it'll be perfect for us to continue up as we break above that resistance level. Yeah, for real, I think Karate Kid was probably one of my favorite movies as a little kid. Jane Smith. We'll get some gold buys here. Let's see. Let's see. The 30-minute no bound wick candle saved me a stop loss. Yes. And that's why we talk about these wicks, right? Happy holiday, everyone. Happy holiday, man. Every day is a holiday for you. You don't celebrate no 420, man. You celebrate 365.
Very glad.
Welcome back, Jimmy. How was your Tampa trip, man?
Oh, that shit was lit.
This man's still hungover.
Huh?
This guy Jimmy sounds like he's laying down in bed. His stomach to the bed on his phone looking for a GJ entry or a USB Max entry right now.
Nah, bro. Nah, bro. I'm chilling. Got it in a good gold buy in London. Well, Asian session. I'm straight.
Hey. You should know the difference between pips and points for sure. That's day one trading, man. But it's crazy that people have been trading for like, you know, like 17 years. I'll say just put a round number out there, like 17 years. They still don't know the difference between the two. You'd be surprised. Gold sells on 15-minute time frame. Gold sells on 15.
I was looking at that. It's a broke to the lows.
Actually, in gold position now. I got in on gold sells.
Nice.
Entry at 1773. In the flip of the 30-minute.
Yeah.
Looking to move stops to break even here in a second if I can.
Yeah, third minute candle close bearish at resistance. The thing is, like, the 4 hour broken highs, like I was again, like, you know, I was very skeptical about the sells as well. Like, I mean, it does make sense though. 15, like, if the tail was like overall bearish and everything's clean, this would be a perfect sell. Because I do believe, like, what's your TP? Like 1771 here. That should be pretty clean. Yeah, it's pretty clean.
Stops to break even at like 1771 completely, and hopefully let it run.
I don't think people who have traded that long hang out in YouTube chats. Oh, you'd be surprised. You'd be surprised. You would be surprised. You would be surprised.
You'd be surprised, homie.
You'd be sorely mistaken. Yes, they hang out on here.
Hey, cut it off. Cut it off.
Trade, Andre.
Yeah, move stops to breaks there.
Did you get 10 pips there yet?
I got like probably like 7 or 8.
Almost 10. Let's hope. I think you got 10 here probably. I think you should. Unless it flips some stuff to break even.
Yeah, it could just stop me at breaks here. We'll see. It's a 15. I sent you a message in the Zoom, like I got a gold idea, and then as I said that, it started playing out, and I had to execute.
So tell me the whole idea behind it. I mean, I understand that idea, but I want to see your full idea. What made you get in instead of, like, even though the 4 kind of broke the highs there?
So if you go on the 1 hour,
yes,
you're like, oh, it like barely closed above that closure at 1773. To me, was respecting that resistance right there.
Yeah.
And then I looked here. Hold on 1 second. Let me just type this in. Make sure that I'm risk free here. Cool. Okay. So I noticed that 1 hour closure was basically at resistance. I'm still bearish for the day on gold, like we've been talking about for the entire day. We're still haven't touched those daily highs. 1 hour did close bullish, but respected that resistance. 30-minute close bearish at support, with clean traffic coming down to 1771. So 1771 is where price is at now, where I wanted to move stops to break even. And then close, right? I'll have 11 pips at that point, close like 70% of my position, and then potentially let price come down to like 1768.
Mm-hmm. Pretty simple. Good analysis.
I just closed full.
Nice.
Done so. Nice. Perfect.
Nigga, I didn't get in those. For those that are asking me. Right, just Andre got in. I didn't get in them. I didn't get any positions in. What I was waiting for though, I was waiting for us to come up to break these highs there and to start place buys going up. But obviously once you came down to kind of break these lows here, that became invalid. So there's obviously no buys above there. I mean, the 1 hour is still bullish here. It can still flip bullish, but let's see what happens.
Yeah, I'm gonna just see if we can make a support on like the 15 or something.
Yeah.
Sells are kind of like sells below here are pretty choppy.
I think that's a good example of just sticking to your bias and being patient. I mean, buys look good. We broke 4-hour highs, but I think I said like 4 or 5 times today we're still bearish on gold just from the daily.
Yep, daily is bearish. My first detail was bearish too. The thing is, like, as we were breaking into that range, like, and also we had a range 2 breakouts there, I was expecting buys above there, but let's see. Because I'm bullish for the week and bearish for the day right now, right? Weekly is bullish. Things though, day is bearish today. So like originally today, like this is the idea I had today, that price is gonna come down to create support somewhere. It could be anywhere, but the most logical support levels you have here is gonna be right here, and then next one's gonna be right here. The Dawn has a market maker on speed dial, so it makes sense they would be in this chat. Hello, market maker.
Hello, hello.
You know what I want the market maker right here to do? I want the market right here to make gold flip bullish here. So this one account will flip bullish, and then we get buys above the 1775 mark.
Don, do you think if GJ breaks the low of the 4-hour week, can he continue going down? If it's break its own low on the 4-hour.
If it breaks, oh, GJ said, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have the 4-hour starter play coming down to fill the range. So I do believe if the support breaks here, we may continue down towards next level support down here at 151, 161.
Thank you.
Near 3% trading nut challenge, well done. Yeah, I think I missed a couple of trades. Like simulation's bugging out for some of them, but obviously, right? Same trades we took on the live streams like the day after, yesterday as well. They played out very well. Hello, Clay.
A weird guy.
Hey, we ain't doing we ain't giving no free promo. No free promo.
I know. I didn't say anything. I just lied.
Took buys on XRP. Seem legit. I don't know, man. I'm looking at it as a long-term investment. I don't really care if what happens like today or tomorrow, right? You gotta reset me a chart to see, for me to see your whole perspective on that trade. I just don't know what you're looking at.
Hourly broke to the lows on gold. God damn it.
What's this? Oh yeah, there it is. Even though 1 hour close bullish is at the resistance, I'm still bearish for a day from the daily. 30-minute closure at resistance. 2 entry, 3 stops, previous 30-minute highs. 4 stops break even as you tap 1772 resistance. Close fold. Long-term targets, if we were to hold, makes sense. 4 hour no runners. Yes, sir. Good trade, sir. You got like what, 20 pips in that trade?
I think I got like 15. Yeah.
Yeah, whenever both the lows here. Yeah, obviously no bias until we break above. Or I don't think there'll be bias today now. Now that we have rejected that resistance. So let's see. They're still young. It's only 8:15.
Yeah, it's still early.
Yeah, that was like 9 or something. You just pushing down here though.
Time to go make some breakfast.
Skyline trading. Okay, maybe I'm looking at gold here. If we could potentially maybe get a closure below, I want to say the supporter at 1770, we may continue down towards the 1776 mark here. Worst case though, we miss those buys. Worst case, and we may just get sells. We miss those sells. We may just get sells below the support down here. Below there, coming down towards the next support, which is down here, right? That's something we can look for. Worst case, we got that. If we miss this range here, which is fine. It's not bad at all. What up, guys? What up, Gats? What's up, man? How you doing today? GG 30 minute looking okay for sells. Yeah, 15 minute. There's a 15 minute closer. No buy on wick. Oof.
That's a big fat oof.
Yeah, no buy on wick. Maybe a 30-minute closure below. Maybe.
I think the move might happen before we get that 30-minute closure.
Yeah.
It's just gonna drop. We'll see.
I'm just gonna play it very patient today.
Me too.
Not take any anything too aggressive. Just kind of wait for my things. Yeah.
30-minute closure would be like if we get a nice one right below support, 15 pip stop for 25 pip target.
Yep.
That's ideal.
That would be pretty clean. Yeah. Marco, where's your content for a day, man?
I posted yesterday. Today, I don't know yet.
Come on, 5 posts a day. Gary V. Yeah, you know Gary V he used to post like 5 pieces of content a day.
Yeah, Gary V's also like superhuman.
I mean, he doesn't edit it himself though.
Yeah, he's got a whole team. He does like a keynote, and that one keynote will give him like 50 pieces of content. I bet he's got a year's worth of content on the drafts right now, just ready to post.
The keynotes are great though. He has to talk. He gets paid to talk, and then he gets paid to he posts content, which provides him more value.
Then he gains followers through it. It's like he has like the perfect system.
Yeah, definitely big ups and big respects.
Real question is, where's your TikTok?
Yo, I was on post one yesterday. I didn't post one. I actually made a video for TikTok yesterday. It's the most simple video ever. I didn't like post it. So
I got like 600 views on mine. yesterday and the day before. Not bad. My girlfriend was telling me like the best way to do it is she'll record like 40 in one day. And then you have drafts, and then that way when you don't feel like it, you can just post.
Yeah, you make a lot. It's just simple shit too that people like too, like nothing too complex.
Yeah, you just have that. You can record them without editing them, you know?
Yeah. Like you just gotta, this is simple shit.
Just gotta get in front of the camera one day, do your hair, get a haircut, talk for like 2
Not
hours. He said, throw on the hat, throw on the fitted cap.
GG Ethereum is looking okay for sales. Impulse on GG question mark.
I see what you're talking about. Breaking the 4-hour lows.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's not bad. You think impulsive entry?
I think breaking those 4-hour lows is a decent impulse, but like, I don't know.
It's not bad. You can see the impulse coming down. I just in this situation, I don't know. I went through comfortable to get an impulse entry. I think I'll rather wait for a closure below, and if I miss the move, I'll miss the move. Right? I just don't want to get an impulse entry today. Or I hardly even take impulse entries.
I can't remember my last. I can't remember my last. Yeah, but the seller play is like it's not really an impulse.
That's an impulse entry right there.
Yeah,
that's an impulse entry.
I'll take this one in my brain.
Yeah, I'll take it in my brain.
Gold's coming up a bit.
We
get buys.
Yeah, whenever I break the lows, like what's even happening? You know, when I'm breaking lows, 4 hour break the lows, 4 hour break the highs. It's so weird. Yeah, I want buys in gold though, for sure, above that range. It can still happen.
Yeah. I want his daily to close bullish for sure, because then it's just that juicy daily candle to the left.
Yeah, because it's juicy.
Juicy.
Yeah, it might get like a,
so
you know,
tender and moist.
All right, bro.
Pause.
Big pause.
I'm looking at start GJ on 30-minute close below support 151.365. I was looking for a closure below 385 here. Yeah, around that range, 385 coming down. But I do believe this would be more of an impulse situation than an actual closure situation in this case.
GJ's coming down.
Yeah, we're just talking about the impulse entries there.
I think my thing with the impulse is I wouldn't want to take an impulse against the daily and the weekly bias, you know?
Yeah, and especially like I don't take impulse unless it's an algo day, honestly. Unless it's an algo day. But you're right though. You are not wrong.
If you close anywhere around where it's closing or where it's at now, we'll get a nice candle closure. It'll be nice, like a nice good positive risk to reward too.
If the 15 had
another 30-minute.
Yeah.
If the 15 had a bond wick, this entry would have been bad because if you just enter the 15-minute time frame, stops above the candle high and TP down here. The 15 closed like kind of below the range here, but
that was my original.
There's no
trade.
bond wick, right? So like it comes down to okay, 30-minute impulse entries maybe.
Mm-hmm.
But later on, if this 15-minute candle were to flip here, you'd be like, that's why I didn't enter off that no bond wick.
Impulse entries feel desperate to me.
Yeah, it feels like
that's how it feels.
Yeah,
it feels like a force, you know.
It feels like you missed a trade, but now you just want an entry just because you want an entry.
What are you calling me desperate?
Yes.
You enter the cells, Sam?
No.
Oh.
The cells. Oh wait. Oh, those cells are undertook.
GG cells.
Nah, bro.
Oh.
See, if I was in this impulse, I would have moved stops to break even after like 4 pips, and I probably would have got hit. My BE would have been hit already. Because it's like if you're gonna enter desperate, you have to have desperate risk management, and then you're just shitting your pants. It just doesn't make sense.
Yep.
Yeah, one big key I learned the hard way is like understand exactly how much you're risking. Because like on impulse entries, like a lot of time, like you don't even like take that into consideration.
if you guys are enjoying the stream so far today, leave a like on the stream. It's been pretty dead the last like 30 minutes just because we've been pretty chalked here, pretty rangy. So we're about to get moved, I believe, with counts closing here very soon. 30-minute count closure below range, 7 minutes here. That'll be pretty lovely. Good GJ.
We need the market maker to let the candles stay like this.
I got you.
Gold did not break above. Flip back down bearish. Yeah, it's very chalked. Yeah, this range is a 19 pip range. Don, what times would you trade if you did trade London? The same time as New York, like pre-London to London opening. So around like maybe 1:30 a.m. to like around 3:30, 4 a.m. Eastern would be a time I'll trade London. Same thing for Asian. Well, a little different for Asian. I think Asian I tend to just trade the Asian opening. I don't really trade pre-Asian. If anything, like maybe 30 minutes before, so like 7:30 to 8, around that range.
Looks like he just wants to push these last 4 minutes.
Yep.
It stops to break even if you're on that impulse, GJ. So it's a risk-free trade.
Columns natural cells though. What's up?
It's all three of us at the same time. What do you think about that support at 151.262 on the 15-minute? It's just a big wick on the 30-minute.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
Don't even say it.
Yeah, I think only way I'll answer sells here now is obviously if this camera traces up a little bit and closes the wick. So something like this. I think my sells going down. I mean, obviously if it's down here, we don't have enough range going down, and the stops will be way too big. Second of all, so I mean, I'll find that just because like that's on the 15-minute time frame. And in this case, you actually get a 30-minute count closure below the range. Therefore, we should have more room, or we should continue down as we're breaking below. Because the 15 came down, obviously created that support, came up, right? But now 30-minute, because that wick right there would never close below. So it's not bad.
I see the wick.
It ain't bad, it ain't bad.
What wick?
You're talking about the 30-minute wick there. You see it?
Nope.
All right.
Doesn't exist to me.
Marcos is just trolling.
I know he is. I know he is. I figured. Yeah. We should be able to come down here towards the 151 and 159 mark here. Let's see. If you get just a closure below like this, 17 pip stop for, I guess.
1-to-1. It's just about a one. I think it's good.
Yeah, it's just about a 1-to-1.
Stops to break even at 5-6 pips after that end of that wick to the left. So the one that I now see.
Yeah.
It's worth it. we want it to retrace as much as possible.
Yeah, yeah.
Like it is right now. Thank you, market maker.
Yes, sir. Okay, you might get an entry here, guys, in 3 minutes here. 3 minutes is a long time, though. Watch it close bullish.
Watch it retrace to the point. Yeah.
It closes bullish above, like, it goes to like 151, 950.
Closes right above support. I will laugh. I might just turn off my stream. Go for my run. I'm going for a 5K today, boys. Wish me luck.
Oh, okay. That's not bad. That's like a 15-minute jog. I actually did 3K in like, I think it was like grade 8, grade 9. I did 3K in like 15 minutes, something like that. But
pretty good.
I was a cross-country runner though. But 5K, I never did 5K before.
5K is like a nice, like, chill
25 minutes.
10K is what kills me, or even 8K will like kill me for a little bit.
Actually,
I'm not much of a distance guy.
I did a marathon. I think it's a 10K. I think it's a 5-10K run. It was like, I took 27 minutes, 26, something like that, 27. I forgot.
I don't know what the Ks are in versus miles, but when I was in Marine Corps, I did a 3-mile run in 17 minutes.
Yeah, that's fine. It's insane, by the way.
What?
Yeah,
That's
5K
insane.
Samurai is 3.2 miles. A
Yeah.
5K is 3.2 miles.
Yeah, that's ridiculous, brother.
I thought my heart was gonna burst, but yeah, I maxed out the PFT we had.
The Army's only 2 miles, and my best was 12 minutes 30 seconds. I also weighed 150 pounds, and now I weigh like 185.
Yeah,
So
I weighed like 100.
I worked my way up to the light heavyweight division. And my chill 5K time is like a half an hour or so. You're a psychopath. Yo, Don, you actually drew this out perfect if it closes like this.
That's what we want. I just draw what I want.
He said I draw what I want so that I get what I want.
Yeah. Right, market maker? Perfect.
Maybe.
I'm gonna wait for a topic to be formed, and once that gets formed, I'm in a position.
I'm gonna be sick if there's no topic.
Yeah, I'll be
I'm gonna be sick.
Yeah, for sure.
I'll make a topic. No, I'm on doing.
Don't do it, GJ.
All right, leave a like on the stream for no topic.
Now this kind of going down. Like, even if you get a topic, you gotta wait for the levels break now, and now you lost on like an extra 2 pips there. All right.
No. I wonder how many people on the stream took it on the close. That's what I'm interested in.
So how big is that wick come down? I mean, if you enter cells on a break, yeah, 4 pips though.
It's still 1-to-1.
How much percent you risk per trade? 1 or 2% per trade, man. 1 or 2%. Around 21.5K in 1 hour and 30. LOL. So sad. 21K. I don't think I have the energy. I don't have it in me to run 21K. Honestly, man, I probably can. Hey, Andre, next time you come to New York, bro, we're gonna go for a marathon.
Next time I come to New York, are you talking about Toronto?
I mean, or next time I see you.
All right, I'm down, bro. I ran a couple 5Ks.
I feel like
I did like a couple
yeah.
charity 5Ks in the past.
Okay.
You guys met each other in person?
Nah.
Turn me up.
Oh, wrong one. I thought she's a runner. She's a track star. She's a runner. She's a track star.
GJ's not cooperating.
GJ ain't giving us a top wick.
Gold is pushing down. Gold had a 15-minute celery play that I 100% would have taken.
15? Yeah.
Yeah, that was clean. Give you 18 pips.
The range on 30 minutes. I was looking at 30 minutes as well. 30 minutes was pretty clean. Driving down too. Yep.
I think that was the move.
Obviously, right now you beat break even here as you got like around 13 pips on that 15-minute starter play, and your TP be down here. It's pretty clean. Guys, for those that are stressing about gold and GJ right now, like even if you miss these, like it's still in a range here, right? So like worst case, you catch a blow, you catch a breakout, which is cleaner, right? So don't feel like panicked or anything. Are you in a position? No, I'm not. I'm waiting for this no topics to be formed there. And if it doesn't get formed, then I missed the whole move. That's whatever. This is what I wanted. This fits me kind of do. And it's just drive down like this, right? This is what we wanted. This is what you expect this kind of do. But gives the top wick first. Could this be the top wick push here? Could we do it? Oh yeah, Marcos, how's the military for a week, man?
Garbage. Terrible. It was sleeting and hailing while we were outside shooting.
So what'd you do? What'd you do within a week?
Say again?
What'd you do within a week?
We pretty much just did like the new. There's a new rifle qualification in the military. So what it used to be is you used to just kind of shoot at stationary targets, and you kind of just like laid down for the most part. But with the new one, you kind of have to go from standing to laying down to kneeling to standing, all behind like cover. So it's basically more like realistic. So it's a lot harder.
So Warzone, working on putting plates up.
Yeah.
Looting plates and stuff like that. Yeah.
Exactly. We got we used to have M16s and now we have M4s. So that's cool.
Okay.
Upgrading.
I could control the recoil on that. It's just down. Actually, the M4 doesn't have much recoil.
There's no really
depends on what stock you use.
Recoil is a big fat myth. Like as long as you're holding it with relative strength, you're good. Also made a top wick, by the way.
Yeah, we just did. Why do you wait for a top wick? Is it just test resistance? No, it's just that 95% of accounts or 9% of accounts do have top wicks. So when it kind of opens up with no top wick, I usually see it tend to just flip bullish to create that top wick later on. So that's why I stayed out. All right, so in this case, price came out, create a top wick, but I think that I'm not sure that's the top wick that I want a little steeper one.
Extend the price a little bit. It's a pretty good wick. That's definitely bigger than a nipple if you extend the.
Yeah.
If you stretch out the chart.
Yeah.
It's not a nipple, but it's a wick. There you go.
There you go. Okay, there's the top wick that you wanted. Okay.
This is a real nice. I feel like we're in slow-mo so that we could you can teach people about top wicks right now.
Like I really stream, yeah. It's happened so many times where I just say wait for a top wick before. Oh, there's a top wick. Okay, now we're in a position.
Oh, this is like a simulation. If this plays out, life's a simulation. I don't know. It's going like slow-mo. Uh-oh. Andre just set his sell stops right below the lows of the current candle.
Oh, nice.
I got music.
How come you had to go back for that, Marco? He said.
Go back for it?
I don't know. Someone just said, how come you had to go back for that? Richie said it.
Go back for it. It's just a yearly thing you have to do in the army. I'm not a grunt. I'm an IT guy, so I literally shoot once a year.
Do you know what buds are? You know what buds are?
Yeah, Navy SEALs.
I was part of that.
Huh?
I can't last a week in buds, man.
Cap.
Wake up! Yeah, and you know that guy in that prison, that's that show where they play the kids in prison just so they can experience how it feels.
Scared Straight.
Yeah, Scared Straight. His kids wearing an orange jumpsuit because they're like, wake up! This guy shitting his pants so we can get out of bed. They're good, bro. Cut their 5% cells. Nice, yeah. I was looking at these as well. Pretty clean. Cells coming down. Yep. This is around a 4-pit range. Pretty clean. Going for a flip here.
I think the way I might I'll have previous candle stops, but if we break the 30-minute low of the previous candle, I would move stops to the current 30-minute high. I think that's how I would do it.
Got in position, guys.
Once the candle create a top wick and flipped, my stops are going to be the, I think this is the current, yeah, the stops going to be the previous 30-minute candle high, and TP is going to be down here. I actually entered half risk as well, because I'm going to enter the other half of the risk once we break these lows here. So I entered half as the candle's flipping, and then enter another half once we break those lows that are coming down. Or I might enter another half. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So instead of, what is that?
The aggressive. What is that?
What's that sound? Yeah, so instead of entering my usual 10 lot on this GJ trade, even though stops are pretty small as well, I entered 5 lot instead, right? Because the reason why I entered a 5 lot with the count flipping, it's just because like we were waiting for a top wick to be formed there, right? So once you got that top wick formed, as you flip bearish, you're anticipating that that's gonna be a current top wick candle. Obviously, you don't know if it's gonna be a top wick or not until the count closes officially. But once you break these lows here, it's a high probability that's gonna be a top wick. So that's why at first I was gonna wait for this only. But then I decided to just enter half here as we were gonna flip, and then enter the other half as we break, and have this as our top wick. If this is even the top wick of this current candle for price to drop down. Yeah, congrats to everyone that caught gold though. Gold's pretty clean. Gold sells right here from here to here. Pretty clean 4-pip range. Pretty clean. If the 15 minute not even 15, if the 1 hour count doesn't close below the range, so if the 1 hour doesn't close below the 151,390 mark, I'm gonna probably close my positions out or close that half position out. That's how I manage risk in this case. But we have 4 minutes left for this 15 to close here. Maybe let's see. Like since this is only a half risk, I'm not gonna close full as the 15 closes above the range. I'll just let it run still until we get the 1 hour closure. Since this is already a half risk trade. Are you waiting for it to go bearish now? Is that topic we're looking for? I just explained that actually, yeah. So in this case, our stops are at 30-minute highs, right? So the 30-minute highs in this case is also the current 1 hour candle high as well. Is chalk, bro. Shut up, Andre. Andre, you gotta be trolling. No, but yeah, 15 did break the highs though. Like technically you could manage risk there. Like, I did say though, but since I entered a half risk in this opening of the candle, I'm just gonna let it run until the 1 hour actually closes here. So 1 hour closes in about 18 minutes here. All right. Andre, you know that people just closed out their positions here, right? People just closed out because he said that.
I think it's a good trade. I think we come down and re-break the lows, like Don said when he's gonna add the other half of his position. You can say "Ciao Bella" and TP will get smacked.
Chabala. Yeah.
Looks like it wants to happen now, folks.
That's it.
5-minute salary.
That's a 4-pip difference.
Okay.
Oh yeah, 5 minutes start replay here.
Okay.
You naughty.
Now I'm just interested.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks good.
I'm actually gonna stand up on my desk, man.
You're gonna stand up on your desk?
I'm gonna stand up for desk to stand up mode.
Dancey dance.
Yo,
Hey,
I
we're
just
still
imagined that.
undefeated with the stand up desk thing. Every
Girls on
time we're
elevated surfaces.
Okay.
You nutty.
I think this is the same church like yesterday, is it? Like
Very similar with the half and half.
we
did
took
that.
buys. Like, what did we even take yesterday? I forgot.
We took 2 buys. One was
Oh,
a
there you
full
go.
risk 1 hour entry, and then we did another half and half style entry.
Get the 1 hour closure
you drew
above.
it
Oh yeah,
for
same shit. This is of opposite direction. It's closure below range. Oh, you know what I gotta play? Every time I play a song. That's it. Play the drift music. 15, we're breaking those highs. Let's see, we have, if we can close below, that'd be perfect. I don't really want to closure above, obviously. That range. 50 seconds. Stand up, I want to win on this trade, bruh. Mm. 15 seconds. Can we close below on a Fitzman time from here? Maybe we close bullish. Doji bullish. Fitzman start play. Okay, perfect. We got close below. 4 seconds. 3. Yeah, close below. Trade still valid here. 30 minutes still valid here for price to drop down. Let's see what happens.
Little top whip. Come on. There it is.
Oh, top wick. Yep. I was really expecting price to move already by now.
Midos. 4 hour. 15 minutes left in the 4 hour.
Yeah, 4 hour. Like, thing
I
is,
will
like,
likely be scared.
who knows, man? Like, we all talk about the last like 10 minutes, 15 minutes of the 4 hour candle, and it might just make a push the last 15. Who knows?
We did this exact. They had this exact. I swear.
They had yesterday.
Yesterday we said the same thing. Oh, I'll close if it. If the
It came all the way down.
and then it just smoked it. Yeah.
Or up yesterday, yeah. Let's see.
So, I will probably still treat it the same. I'll probably delete at for a break even at 4 hour close, because that top wick is just gonna take us out if it happens. I think.
Just found your channel this weekend through Trading Nut. Really enjoying our content. Hey, man, let's get it. Is this your first stream on, Casey? That's that music. Six months actually, but still feeling like a beginner. Now, how long have you been on the streams for? Like, is this your first stream? Oh yes, first stream. Oh wow, first stream. Bros are asking about gold here.
So for gold now, we came down towards that support level. What we need to happen for gold here, I believe, is you need a closure below here now, right? So the 4 hours on closing in about 12 minutes here, and hopefully it doesn't close doji. But I believe once you get a closure below the support here, it should be pretty clean driving down. I think sells below here would be around 60 70 pip range. Minimum here is a 45 pip range, so it's not bad at all coming down. Because you're looking left, this is clean traffic if you do get a closure below the range to drive price down towards support, right? Minutes that first forward candle close. The only thing I am worried about though, if the forward closing, is the new forward candle opening up to create that top wick. That's the only thing I'm looking at here. Because the forward is not open close in 4 minutes and 11 minutes here, and the high is all the way up here, right? Therefore, technically, price could still come down, but the high could be anywhere. It can be up here. Who knows? It can be like this. For all we know, to come down for 4 hour candle. So, and since our entry is here, our stop loss is above the 1 hour high. That's the only issue we have here in this trade. $15-minute bow. I'm considering closing positions if the 15 breaks these highs here. 151,408. If you break that, I might just close the positions, the half lot position with a 4 pip loss, because we're answering the last 10 minutes of this forward candle here, and I expect this move to happen by now with this closing below the range. This is my first trade today. Can you take a look at my charts? Gotcha. What's up, Wixon? I didn't see you there. You too locked in. You too locked today.
I've been here for like an hour.
Yeah, I did not see you there. Are you in GJ? Or did you get gold today or not?
I entered GJ and I closed out as soon as we broke the previous routine.
That's it. So Andre scared you. Like I'm playing.
Nah. No, I don't even know what you're talking about.
No, because Andre told chat.
I was probably here, but I was just looking for my
shit.
I wasn't in the trade like that.
What chart is this? Secured 7% rest run 5 lots. Nice TP, man. This is gold. This is US 30. Wow, nice. Yeah, clean sell is coming down. Stop loss made sense here. The TP made perfect sense as well. This is good. Good levels you had to mark up on the charts here. Good management as well. Nice runner position, man. Good stuff. 5 lots on GJ though, on US 30. That's equivalent to like a 50 lot.
Big boy moves.
That's equivalent to like a 50 lot. Depends on your contract size though.
That's big boy moves.
Yeah, like that's a huge lot for US 30. Who knows? He might be a trader's Ming. Or like he was way. Or US 30. I mean, if you're kill T4X and your contract size is 100, then that lot is massive.
What he's doing at Timo.
He's cubing his JR. McLaren trader JR. Why isn't Vaughn pushing down? Yeah, so when I entered this trade here, I expected price to really push down. I'm actually gonna close here at break even here. Just because I haven't moved. I'm gonna wait for this forward candle to close here. Gonna close here at break even, guys. Closing at break even, and just gonna wait for this forward candle to close here. See how we close. because I really expected price to push down within the first like right when it opened up, create a topic, just flip down like usually we would 8% of the time. And I'm a bit worried about the 4-hour candle closing here. Just worried about the top wick being formed. I don't want to be in that mess, in that situation. Or we might just wait for the 1-hour candle closer and then wait for that 4-hour candle wick to be formed, and then once that gets formed, enter sells as the 1 hour breaks back into this range here, coming down like this. All right, so I might wait for that. We have 7 minutes left though, and if we miss the move, we missed the move, right? Or at least I missed the move. Not sure how we guys into the position. Do you use fixed lot size? If so, what would you recommend for a 25k account? 25k account, I recommend probably like a 2 lot, probably a 2 lot, 2-3 lot, maybe 4 on average. 4 is a bit pushing it though. I'll say 3. It's whatever 1% is, right? It's whatever that is. 1 or 2%. $1,000 lot size. $1,000 lot size, like an average, like a 0.10 average. Depends again on the risk. Like the trade changes the risk. The stop loss changes the risk. Depends on how big your stops are. And you can't just put random stops. What I see people do is that they enter a trade and they put their stops here just because they don't want to lose more than that, when it has nothing to do with price action or a chart itself. Andre, bro. You know why you don't see him right now? Because it's a family stream. That's right, you don't see one. Right, Wixman? Family stream, right? Put thumbs up.
There it is. He just
thumbs up.
went like this in there. What?
Jeffrey, you said high probably a fake out to continue up daily is bullish. I mean, right? I was bullish today too. I mean, we tapped my target for a day. That's the thing. Rejected it. The price is kind of breaking to range 2 now. So might even get a move today. I might not even get a move today. Who knows? Obviously today is much during anyway. I think we're gonna get a late move though. We're gonna get a late move around like 9:30, 10ish maybe. But how do you manage risk in fixed lot? Stop loss not gonna be the same for every trade. Fixed lot is better used for experienced traders. Wait, are you asking me a question or are you answering your question? I'm confused. How do you manage risk in fixed lots? Stop loss is not gonna be the same for every trade. Fixed lot is better used by experienced traders. Okay, so it's the same thing. I don't think fixed loss or percent, you know, a certain risk in your account has to do anything with the trade. The trade and your losses is completely two different things. My losses will not affect the trade. If I were to pop a 10 here or a 5 here or 0.1 here, my stop loss would be here regardless, because I know that if price were to come up and break that high, price will continue to push up towards the next level of resistance, which is up here. Right, so it has nothing to do with lot sizes. Like me popping a bigger losses won't change that outcome. But regarding like kind of like, you know, closing half and stuff, I just close half of my lot, whatever it is. Yeah, that trade there was a 0.5% risk for me. I answered half risk, and then we decided to close at break even as we weren't really pushing. What I'm thinking here that is if you get a 1 hour closure below the range here, you may get a push like this coming down to fill the range. if we do close below in 2 minutes here.
Still in. I'm just risk free right now.
You're risk free?
Yeah, I moved.
Oh yeah, like
3
3 pips here. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm up. Yeah.
If I was still in, this would have been my second position by now probably, but it's
I deleted my sell stop on that the
second
break
position.
below.
Yeah.
So I figured worst case scenario hit break even. Best case scenario 4 hour doesn't have a top wick and gives me my 10. You know.
I feel you, man. I feel you. How many likes do you have today? We have nowhere near 200 likes today, do we? Yeah, 70 likes. We need to take a trade today. We need to take a trade for that to even happen.
We need to take a trade and have a giveaway.
Yeah, like
Yeah, we
yesterday.
just need Brody to reach out to all his people, bro.
Yesterday was really lit.
Brody was the plug on all the likes yesterday. Brody, make sure you check your phone around like noon Eastern Standard Time.
Yo, he's like, how many hours is that Australian time? That's like, he's like a whole day ahead of us, right?
That's when I'm going to the post office.
I think you can give your trade a second chance. I think the next second chance is going to be the 1 hour closure below the range here. I think you can give your when entering a trade down, what is the percentage that you risk in a trade? So people keep asking about risks and my stuff, right? So risk for me, the year started off with 2% risk, 1 to 2% risk. As my account grew and went and kept, obviously kept going, I didn't increase my lot sizes. So I've kept the same risk lot size since the start of the year. Therefore, that 2% now becomes a 0.5%, 0.3%, etc. Right? So like I average around 1%, I'll say, on trades now. So since that trade is a half risk, that was like a 0.5 risk trade. Very small risk trade. Why the bottom wick and top wick is to form easily? Please explain. There's different types of no top wicks, no bottom wicks. You have closures, you have openings. There's different types. I talk about it in my course a lot, but I made a post on Instagram a while back of a general idea of what they are. So if you go down here and you go to this post down here, if I can get up somewhere, different types of no top wick right here. This post, different types of no top wick candles. I drew all the different types of candles with different top wicks or no bottom wicks, etc. So they're all different. Marcos, you got to stop that break even there, bro.
Yep.
The fork has no bottom wick here. If we flip bearish here, I believe this is the 1 hour that's gonna drive price down here to fill the range.
Yes, sir.
Are you taking second sells there?
You're gonna enter on the flip.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it. I'm considering it.
The 1 hour closures.
4 hour close below the range too.
You're perfect 4 hour wick fill. There's your 10.
Worst case though, you enter started plays on 30-minute breaks, which is down here.
Might not flip.
Oh, this one's a banger. Raising the adrenaline. Okay. Oh.
You got a new playlist?
Nah, this is just the same like people. Harris Heller, copyright free stuff, but this is it's a new playlist for him, I guess. Not bad. Bigger stops in the 1 hour time frame.
12 pips. 11.
11 pips.
Well, that's like amazing.
What is?
The 11, 12 pip stop loss on a 1 hour candle. Like, okay.
Yeah, that's pretty.
I'm taking 25 pip stop losses
on gold.
5 minute on gold.
5 minute, 5 minute candle. Man, you weren't even there though last year. Bro, last year there was 150 pip stops on a 5 minute gold candle during the virus.
Oh my god.
During March. You should have seen it. It was so volatile, man. Like crazy volatile.
You know someone caught that move.
Traders taking buys.
McLaren traders taking buys there? I think so too. McLaren traders definitely taking buys there.
Oh, my bad, David. You're playing someone else. I didn't see that.
You know, if we take the sell and lose, someone's gonna be in the chat being, "You sell at support."
And if it breaks through,
it breaks through, likes on the stream.
Bank manipulated me.
What do you think about the 30-minute celery?
I said that earlier too.
I know you're looking to get in. Oh, you didn't? I missed it. Okay.
Yeah, I said it earlier. I'm like, worst case, we might get those. I don't know. What I might do is I might enter half risk as we flip and then enter the other half as we break the lows again. But it's a 10 pip difference or 5 pip difference. Is this the 4 hour high though? That's the question here. Is this gonna be the 4 hour kind of high here, or are we gonna re-break this high?
Good question.
Right? But with anticipation that we have no bottom wick here, if you flip, technically that should be price dropping down.
If you just look at the 1 hour, it looks like a clean deal. If it wasn't like a 4 hour open, it would be like your perfect 1 hour play. I don't know. I like it.
I think a file that regarding how yesterday moves was very confident on his 20k account. Yeah, man, just don't let emotions get into play when you're popping last sides and stuff like that, right? Congrats, bro, for the headphones. Yeah, then on the 4 flips, you still wait for a 30-minute start play. I was anticipating entering half as we flip and then enter a half as we get a 30-minute start play coming down as we break those lows down here. I think if you break those lows down here, we have a much higher probability that that will be the 4 hour kind of high, right? Whereas if we just flip, we may just still flip back up to break the current kind of highs, and that's the thing with this candle here. Or I might just stay out for the rest of the day, right? Like I think this is what we did on Thursday. We kind of stayed out because we knew that today was gonna be an indecision day where we don't know where price will go yet, because it's either we break above resistance or we break below or reject to come down again. So today it's kind of those days because we woke up today and the first thing we saw was it tapped our target here. We tapped target here at 152, right? So for us to continue pushing up now, we're gonna need a closure above there on a day time frame, and that's gonna be tomorrow's candle. Once we get that closure, it should be a better day tomorrow. I'm just not trying to force any positions today. All right, this is what you want, but you need that closure above this range here for that to happen. And by the looks of his daily candle, unless we really pushed up the last 7 hours of his daily candle here with like 2 hours left in the London session volume, moving GJ, it looks pretty chalked. And tomorrow we might just get a wick flip maybe, potentially. But I think I'm thinking too far ahead now. You guys probably got lost as I was talking. Please check gold. I'm looking at gold. What's happening at gold? No topic on this 1 hour candle, right? What do you want me to check about gold? 4 hour candle close bullish at support though. No top wick. If it flips bullish, you may get buys going up, but then again, it's very choppy looking left here, so the buys will be above 1775.930, right? Like I kind of have a visual idea where price is before looking at it. So when I'm not interested, like I'm not really looking at it. But when I'm interested, you see me locked into it. Like GJ right now, I'm locked into GJ because I might consider sells as you flip bearish here. Could this be the 4 hour high here if you flip? If we get a flip without breaking the 1 hour highs, that'll be lovely and perfect. Because then if we use the 1 hour highs as our stop loss. Yeah, like Andre said, wait for a closure outside the chalked range here, because if looking for buys, looking left, that's chalky, that's choppy.
if you're looking for sells, you need a closure below, but the 4-hour candle was bullish, therefore you need a break of the 4-hour starter play coming down. But with that being said, there's not enough range going down. If you break below there, therefore you need sells below here coming down, which is a much cleaner, which will be in a couple hours, not even today, maybe tomorrow. To see how it's kind of like, you know, like the whole process is there, right? We already know what we're looking for. It's just like there's really nothing on gold right now that I'm interested in. And I know if you get something, it's gonna be a while to get something. So like maybe tomorrow or something. You're down. I'm starting to fuse your brain. But yeah, see how like what goes through my head when I'm looking for a position or just even considering looking at something. All right, it's a lot. It's not just a 15-minute closure below a range. If you don't trade gold, what pair do you want to replace? If I don't trade gold, I'll probably replace the gold with if I'm being honest, man, probably Euro GPY. No. Yeah, Euro GPY is not bad. It's not bad, Andre, but I don't know. I don't think I don't know.
Face.
Yeah, I saw your face. You're like, what? Like maybe going back to US 30, like I used to. The thing is, like, I haven't traded US 30 on or DJ 30 on my broker yet, Trades the Man yet, and I know that their country size is a bit different. So one lie will equal a 0.01 lie, I think, on US 30's Trades the Man's contract size. So there's that. But yeah, I used to trade US 30. This is my first pair ever. I actually did the opposite of what traders do. Traders start off slow and then they work their way up towards, you know, more volatile pairs. I started off volatile and worked my way towards slower pairs. Traders want to catch the biggest move. I don't want to catch the biggest move. All right, traders also want to pop the biggest lot size in their account as possible. I tend not to. It's weird, but it's just what works for me. There's nothing wrong with that. Goes to show, right? Just do whatever you want in trading, where it works and wherever suits you. When did you come to Canada? I was born in Canada. What? I was born in Canada, man. I was born in Toronto, Canada. I've been here for 20 plus years. When did you come to Canada? Man. When did you come to the streams, Mr. Banks? I'm playing. It's all love. My first UK 30? UK 30? Damn. I mean, UK 100? I know people would trade that pair. What's even happening with the songs? I still gotta fix my audio too.
Yo, Don, I'm starting to fuse with your brain. He said Goku style. Me too, Nefak.
Nefak?
And demonetized.
Demonetized. Your GPY GPAUD 4-second play pairs because gold moves fastly. Whatever pair suits you and suits your time zone and suits your training session. I think what you want to do is want to focus on one session. Once you focus on one session, there's only certain pairs that move during that session, and then from there you pick. I don't like pairs that move at the same time. For example, I don't like trading GU during New York session because yeah, we're about the pound and I work with the yen because it's an overlap with the London and New York. Therefore, I trade GJ because the yen is closed, whereas the pound is still open right now. Right? Same with gold. Gold, dollar's moving gold, nothing else is moving gold. That's just how I see it and how I like things. My pairs, at least. Do you play cricket? No, man. Looks cool though. What do you think of penny stocks? More volatile than anything? I don't know too much information on penny stocks, man, so I'm not gonna give you any false information. I don't know too much if I'm being honest with you. That's not my lane, right? It's not my lane. I'm an FX trader. FX scalper, if you wanna break it down even more. Placed the 0.01 lot trade on Bitcoin and instantly blew my first account. You know what's crazy? That I actually blew my first account. So yesterday I made a story. I blew my first account and people asked me how. Basically, I thought $1 was a one lot. So I'm like, okay, $200 account risking $1. It's not test things out, you know, easy clap. That $1 was not no one. That was a one lot trade. Therefore, I went full margin first trade, and obviously, the first day I traded ever was NFP day. So you guys know how that went. It didn't go too well. Did you work in factories in the beginning? What? Nah, man. My first job and only job was the grocery store. Like 3 years ago. Or 2 years ago. Scalping matches your personality better? No, not really my personality. It's just what worked for me. Like I've been a swing trade before, and scalping, the way I view the markets right now, it just works a lot better for me, a lot easier for me. Whatever I do now. We're gonna get a wave of these questions now. Okay. Have you ever worked in shifts? Yes, of course I've worked in shifts. What do you mean? I didn't come in the game full time. Like saying trading, you don't come in the game, you know, being a full-time trader. Control effects, please check my chart. I got you. Nice. You sent me a chart of a bunch of colorful indicators and Heikin Ashi candles. Okay, so here's the thing. When you send me a chart, I can see this chart on my screen, right? When you send me a chart, make sure you send me like a label chart. Like a label chart or something. A label chart, you know, put something on it to indicate what you're looking for and what you want, right? You know what I mean? But this chart won't do any justice to anyone in the chat or everyone else. But since I'm a nice guy, what I could tell you though is that if you're looking for positions, I'll say buys above this resistance here, above 1799 and 17, and this is the range that you're in right now. So if this is the range, you probably want to break out above here until the yellow line you have there, or just resistance right here. All right. 15-minute starter play coming down as we flip bearish at the same time. How do you guys feel about that?
Feel very nice.
What's up?
Very nice. I'm gonna be in. I got stops.
I'm concerned just calling it a day. I just don't like really like the way the 4 candles, you know, bear has any involvement in it. I don't know. Was it hard or easy to convince your parents to do forex trading? I didn't convince them. I just did whatever I wanted, and then over time it just kind of worked out, right? Because it's not like the first day I asked them, hey, I'm gonna become a full-time trader. I'm gonna quit my job. You know, like it took longer than that. Like I really like show myself that I can actually do it for me to actually convince others, right? So I think it was for everything though. How'd you get set for your money for trading? Work, side hustles, reselling, shoes, cultured.
Cultured, respect. And it's already 9:20, huh?
Bro, you're a motivation for me and hundreds of others. Share your life story, bro. Maybe another time. You know, maybe another time. Maybe another time. I share enough times. I actually might do vlogs soon. like raw footage vlogs.
Here I am trading.
Yeah, like people don't watch stuff. People like watching stuff though. Like that's what they like.
They do.
Like, hey guys, so like I'm not gonna put any fiction in it. I'm not gonna be like, oh yeah, today I'm gonna go to, you know, this business meeting. Like I don't do that every day. Like just my regular everyday life.
Yeah, but you're gonna have some mean ass clickbait. Bet you that.
What's up? What's that?
So you're gonna have some mean ass clickbait.
Forex style.
Some bright
Forex
colors,
style.
green, have your face like.
I heard your interview on Trader Nut or Trader's Nut. When did you say that it took 4 years to become profitable? What was the mistakes you were doing throughout those 4 years? 4 years to become profitable. I think it was more. I think I said 3 years. I don't think I said 4 years. If I did, I'm pretty sure I said 3 years though. But training for 3 years took me like a year and so to become profitable. And throughout those 4 years, I'll say the two main things were just over trading, over leveraging, and not knowing the whys to everything that I do. So it really had to come down to a point where I understood exactly everything that I was doing, and being able to replicate that same thing every single day, not money wise, not pip wise, but trade wise, and really detach yourself from the money. And that's what's gonna get you to become a profitable trader, when you see things in that picture frame. You really can't convince other people. Yeah, and also like I don't really want to convince other people, you know, like, you know, it's just whatever. I do what I do for me. And if people want to try something out, then by all means they try something out, right? But this ain't no recruit 3 you get for free $250 a month type stuff, you know, if you guys know what I'm referring to. Raw bro, they're right. That's clickbait caption. Yo, EKZ, that's a good idea. Did you work at B Trust? No, man. What the hell? How do you know what that is? That's fucking weird. That's weird. That's like a local shop. What the fuck? Hey, guys, peace. Fine.
I knows where you live.
How old were you when you first got into Forex? I was 18. 18. Is there any installs in GJ? Well, by the looks of it, they might be, but this account's taking forever to flip here, and there's really no volume here, so I'm probably gonna like just honestly call it a day and wait for it tomorrow. I took one position today. It was a break-even trade.
I'm like interested in the NYSE volume, but I don't know. You're right. It should have already flipped. It's been 20 minutes.
Yeah, like it's really NYSE in 10 minutes here though. I mean, I'll wait for that, but I can start calling it a day.
But I mean, even if it closes like this and there's no bottom wick, I just won't enter anyway. So.
Oh my guys, I'm sorry. I've had algo days. I said the focus was algo day for gold for the past 2 days, where the 2 days haven't been algo days. This is from like Friday. I forgot to update this. Gold. GJ.
Reading that like where?
Yeah, my bad guys. There wasn't an algo day yesterday. It wasn't an algo day today. Algo day was the day before on Friday, which we caught.
Oh, 3 more likes for 100 likes.
Oh yes,
like the
sir.
Stream, like the stream. Like the stream, we'll call the market makers. There it is, 104. Nice. Someone disliked.
We have 2 dislikes today again? We always have 2 dislikes.
I said like the stream, and someone disliked. It's fucked up.
Check your window down. Yeah, man, I'm looking kind of spooky. 420 today, guys. You know, relax today, guys. Just, you know, vibe out. Catch a vibe.
420 blaze it. GJ looks like UJ right now.
GJ looks like NZD CAD. or NZD JPY or something. Like it's terrible. AUD.
This is like EU. Like the classic EU.
I hate EU. I hate
like,
GU.
You just like can't scalp it. You're just gonna be sitting there an hour to get 5 pips.
All right, chat.
Not flip.
I think I'm gonna call it a day. I think I'm gonna call it. I probably won't enter any trades today. My day's done. I took one trade today, break even, and then I had a gold trade that closed today. That was running from Friday that hit break even today. So that was the trade. But yeah, other than that, have a good evening, guys. And tomorrow will be a better day. We caught some kills yesterday, so it made up for today as well. Hope you guys had a great day today. Don't overtrade, don't over leverage. And Uzi, I am proud of you. Peace.
I'm proud of you. He said that's a rolly kid. I said this a new rolly kid. I am a Splistonian. Look how big this rolly is. Uzi, I am proud of you. Rock. Star yellow bitch like corn. Went to MIA turn orange. Pull up new lamb, no insurance.
Shout out my nigga Cinco. Cop the BMW, new deposit, I picked up another bag. Like fuck it, I'ma count while I'm in it. I had planes flying, crowds screaming, money counting chains, clanking shit. I guess that's how it sound when you win it. I ain't joking, do it sound like I'm kidding. I've been making like 2,000 a minute. So high up through the clouds, I was swimming. I'm probably gon' drown when I'm in it. I bet she gon' get loud when I'm in it. And we might have a child. I don't love a hoe after we fuck, she can't get near me. Only bitch I give a conversation to a Siri. My pants are mirrored. Yes, I want it clearly. I'm the chosen one, see my potential, so they fear me. Lately I've been praying, God, I wonder, can you hear me? Thinking about the old me, I swear I miss you dearly. Stay down till you come up, I've been sticking to that theory. Every day a battle, I'm exhausted and I'm weary. Make sure I smile in public when alone, my eyes teary. I fought through it all, but that shit hurt me severely. I've been getting how to hide behind my insecurities. Taking different pills, but I know it ain't. Cop the BMW, new deposit, I picked up another bag. Like fuck it, I'ma count while I'm in it. I had planes flying, crowds screaming, money counting chains, clanking shit. I guess that's how it sound when you win it. I ain't joking, do it sound like I'm kidding. I've been making like 2,000 a minute. So high up through the clouds, I was swimming. I'm probably gon' drown when I'm in it. I bet she gon' get loud when I'm in it. And we might have a child when I'm finished. Never put out a weak verse. Homicides when we lurk. I'm stuck till my feet hurt. When putting them streets first. White tees turn burgundy t-shirts. Looking for some real, he stuck in a deep search. Anxiety killing me, I just wanna leave Earth. When they ask if I'm okay, it just make everything seem worse. Trying to explain your feelings sound like something you rehearsed. Stab me in my back with a clean smirk. Looking so deep into your eyes, I can read your thoughts. So shut the fuck up, I mean, please don't talk. I done been through too much and I don't need another loss. Put that on every war scar for every battle. Cop the BMW, new deposit, I picked up another bag. Like fuck it, I'ma count while I'm in it. I had planes flying, crowds screaming, money counting chains, clanking shit. I guess that's how it sound when you win it. I ain't joking, do it sound like I'm kidding. I've been making like 2,000 a minute. So high up through the clouds, I was swimming. I'm probably gon' drown when I'm in it. I bet she gon' get loud when I'm in it. And we might have a child when I'm finished. When I'm finished, when I'm finished.